Today, more than 6 million Americans will be unable to vote because they've been convicted of a felony at some point in their life. Florida alone accounts for about 27% of these disenfranchised people. A proposed amendment to Florida's constitution would expand the right to vote to more than 1.4 million people with felony conviction. Amendment 4 would automatically restore voting rights to citizens upon completion of their sentencing. However, the law excludes those with murder and sex felony offenses. Florida Republican candidate for governor Ron DeSantis opposes the amendment.
I think it's wrong to automatically restore rights to felons who've committed very serious crimes. Now, I want people to be redeemed. I want people to be able to show, but you've got to prove that you're getting back with the law. I want people to be able to earn their way back, but you got to earn it. You don't get it for free.
The Sunshine State's felony disenfranchisement laws are some of the strictest in the country. Along with Iowa and Kentucky, it's one of 3 states that permanently bans citizens with felony convictions from voting. The only way to regain that right is to apply to the State Office of Executive Clemency 5 years after completion of the sentence, and be one of the very few who are granted it. Since the current governor took office in 2011, his administration has received nearly 100,000 applications and has approved fewer than 2,000 of them. More than 20,000 remain pending. Florida Democratic candidate for governor Andrew Gillum backs the amendment.
The constitutional amendment doesn't give it back to everybody, but if you have done your time and you've paid your debt to society, you ought to be able to re-enter society, have your constitutional right to vote and your right to work here in the state. Because if they don't have the opportunity to make a living for themselves, you often find people reoffending.
Despite staunch opposition between Gillum and DeSantis, a survey from the University of North Florida shows that 71% of eligible voters support the amendment, whereas 21% said they would vote no.